Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow tulips. First, gather your supplies: large marshmallows, clean kitchen shears, and your favorite food coloring. You'll also need a small bowl of water to dip your shears in, which prevents sticking. Selecting gel food coloring will give you the most vibrant and beautiful colors for your edible flowers. Let's get started on this fun and simple treat. Now, let's shape those petals. Take a large marshmallow and, using your water-dipped kitchen shears, make 4 cuts around the top, about 1/3 of the way down. Remember to dip your shears in water after each cut. This is key to a clean separation. Once all 4 cuts are made, gently pull each petal outwards to open up your marshmallow into a beautiful tulip shape. It's quite satisfying to see them bloom. Time to add some color. Dip a small, clean paintbrush into your chosen food coloring gel and carefully brush it along the edges of each marshmallow petal. For an extra touch, use a toothpick to dab a tiny bit of a contrasting color into the very center of your tulip, mimicking a pistil. Once colored, let your marshmallow tulips sit for a few minutes to allow the coloring to set. They're really starting to look like real flowers. Your marshmallow tulips are now complete and ready to be displayed. Arrange them on a beautiful platter, use them to decorate cupcakes, or even as a charming garnish for other desserts. They're a delightful and easy way to add a touch of spring to any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your lovely, edible creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.